Firstly, I just want to say thank you to all of the presenters. Really interesting case study. I have tons of questions, but I'll limit it to one. I think it's a question for Michael. You mentioned that the client on this project learned about BIM through their experience on this project, and you alluded to clients that you work with in the UK driving level 2 BIM, implying that they are coming from experience and a knowledge on BIM implementation. Could you compare your experience with a client learning on the project to clients who have experience already coming to a project?
I suppose one of the buildings we worked on in the UK, which was the hospital, which is proton beam therapy, the clients in that case had actually sought sort of third-party advice before actually coming to work with us, and they were well prepared for. They knew the documentation for BIM better than I did. And one of the first meetings we had, I arrived in and it's this huge wall, a blank sheet of paper on the wall, and they said, we need to figure out how we get from here to the end where the building's done and the models are handed over. And they said, look, what do you need to do to your job, and what do you think you create at the end of doing that? And then there was a whole discussion then. They brought in the team that they had at the time, and there was a lot of discussion about, well, at this stage I would do that, and then someone else would say, well, I need that earlier. And then, you know, we never talk about those things actually too often among the wider team. And what was interesting was another project that was already under construction, and they brought the tractor in from that. So we actually had someone who was already doing projects. And so it was the whole team. So that was one of the experiences. No sense like that in every one of them, but I think that's one of the things we do need. We need contractors, clients, design teams all to understand what we're producing and what we expect to do at each stage of the project. So I think Trinity have learned, they should have learned a lot at this stage. There's a tiny bit of fatigue on it, but I think there's a lot of lessons learned, and I think they'll take a lot to the next project. They had a little less information at the very beginning of the project themselves, or knowledge. But I think they sort of learned on the job. I think it would be beneficial if they had sought some advice before actually procuring on BIM, and to use that then to generate very comprehensive technical documents and to understand what they wanted out of the design team and the contractor. So.
The question for Celine, you talked about the benefits outweighing the challenges. What's it like as a constructor working with a public works contract that doesn't recognise BIM? Is that a challenge? Is that the main challenge?
Yes, it is a challenge. It's the contract itself, the public works contract, but it's also the kind of standard template EIR and BEPs probably don't reflect the two different main types of contract we have, which I suppose is designed by the employer and design and build. Generally, we see the same EIR and BEP kind of template for both of them, where they are very specific project types, and how BIM is implemented on them is very different, essentially. And we've seen like the difference in this project and a design and build project is quite substantial, and that's not necessarily reflected in the BIM contractual documentation, as well as it not being acknowledged in the public works.
Okay, David, just on behalf of the Alliance, I'd like to also thank the team. It was fantastic. I mean, the big story I got out of it was the honesty that you had. We're in a situation where we're working with BIM, but perhaps we don't have the regulatory contractual environment that works with that. So, you know, I thought that was really excellent. Thank you. Barry had to leave early, David, so he gave his apologies. So, unless there's any other questions, we might start the panel discussion. Thanks very much. Okay.